Educational technology is a broad field. It involves using technology to improve learning. This includes tools, resources, and strategies. The goal is to make education more effective and engaging. Instructional technology is a part of educational technology. It focuses specifically on the design and use of technology for teaching. This includes things like interactive whiteboards, educational software, and online learning platforms. Both educational and instructional technology aim to enhance the learning process. They provide students with new ways to learn and teachers with new ways to teach. In today's digital age, these fields are becoming increasingly important. Educational technology has several key objectives. One is to improve student learning outcomes. Technology can make learning more engaging, personalized, and effective. Another objective is to increase access to education. Online learning platforms, for example, can reach students in remote areas. They can also provide learning opportunities for those who cannot attend traditional schools. Educational technology also aims to prepare students for the future. In today's technology-driven world, students need digital literacy skills. They need to be able to use technology effectively for learning, work, and life. The role of educational technology is constantly evolving. With new technologies emerging all the time, the way technology is used in education is always changing. One recent trend is the rise of personalized learning. Educational technology allows for the creation of customized learning experiences. This means that students can learn at their own pace. They can focus on the areas where they need the most support. Another trend is the increasing use of game-based learning. Educational games can make learning fun and engaging. They can also teach important skills such as problem solving and critical thinking. There are many different approaches to using educational technology. These approaches can be categorized in several ways. One way is to look at the type of technology being used. Hardware refers to the physical equipment such as computers and tablets. Software refers to the programs that run on these devices, such as learning management systems and educational apps. Another way to categorize approaches is by their scope. System-level approaches involve using technology to improve the entire education system. Individual approaches focus on using technology to meet the needs of individual learners. Mass media approaches use technology to reach a large audience, such as through educational television programs. Section 5. Personalized learning paths. Differential instruction in action. Differential instruction is an approach to teaching that recognizes that students learn at different paces. It involves providing students with different avenues to learning. This could mean providing different content, process, or product options. Technology can play a key role in supporting differential instruction. For example, teachers can use learning management systems to provide students with differentiated assignments. They can also use educational software to create personalized learning paths. By tailoring instruction to the individual needs of students, differential instruction helps to ensure that all students have the opportunity to succeed. Section 6. Designing for Everyone. Universal Design for Learning, or UDL. Universal Design for Learning is a framework for creating learning environments that are accessible to all learners. It involves providing multiple means of engagement, representation, and action and expression. Technology can be a powerful tool for implementing UDL. For example, digital textbooks can be easily adapted to provide multiple means of representation. They can offer text-to-speech, adjustable font sizes, and multimedia elements. Online learning platforms can offer multiple means of action and expression. This could be through options for online discussions, video projects, or digital portfolios. By designing learning environments with UDL in mind, educators can create more inclusive classrooms that meet the needs of all learners. Section 7. Individualized Instruction. Catering to unique needs. Individualized instruction is an approach to teaching that tailors instruction to the specific needs of each student. Technology can be used to support individualized instruction in several ways. For instance, assessment tools can be used to identify students' strengths and weaknesses. This data can then be used to create individualized learning plans. Additionally, educational software can provide students with personalized feedback and support. While individualized instruction can be time-consuming to implement, it can be highly effective in helping all students reach their full potential. Section 8. Fostering inclusion technology as an equalizer. Educational technology has the potential to create more inclusive learning environments for all students. This is especially true for students with disabilities. Assistive technology, for example, can help students with disabilities access the curriculum. This could include things like screen readers for students with visual impairments, or speech-to-text software for students with dyslexia. Technology can also help to create more flexible learning environments. This can be beneficial for students with physical disabilities or those who require a more individualized pace of learning. Section 9. The future of learning. Embracing technology's potential. Technology is rapidly transforming the educational landscape. As we look to the future, it is clear that technology will continue to play a vital role in shaping how we learn and teach. Emerging technologies, such as artificial intelligence and virtual reality, have the potential to revolutionize education. AI-powered tutoring systems, for instance, could provide students with personalized support around the clock. Virtual reality could create immersive learning experiences that allow students to explore new worlds and concepts in ways never before possible. By embracing the power of technology, we can create a future where all learners have the opportunity to reach their full potential.